Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the smooth slow motion on CapCut that isn't working. So if you try to edit a slow motion video on CapCut and it's not working properly, or maybe there's some error into the slow motion video, you can use this solution that I'm about to show you. So you can just go back. You can here go to the settings at the top right corner and scroll down and find the clear cache option. So you can just click on confirm, because by clearing the cache of the apps, you can delete some bugs or maybe some error into the apps. That's one of the solution. Or you can also go back to your home screen and long press on the CapCut apps, go to the app info. You can go to settings on your phone and find the CapCut apps in here, and here you can go to storage and cache. If the clear cache not working, you can try to clear the storage, but it will make you log out from the CapCut app, so you need to log in back again. But I hope that solution maybe solve the smooth slow motion not working on CapCut. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.